Let's make some chicken pastil sandwich. May bago kasi ako nahanap na Kapampangan brand ng chicken pastil, so bumili agad ako. Etong spicy, isa-serve natin yan with rice. At ayan, kitang-kita nyo pa talaga yung mga sili na nakahalo sa chicken. We're having it with some sunny side up egg and calamansi. Yung pagkakaluto nga pala ng chicken pastil hindi matigas, so hindi rin mahirap nguyain. Eto namang classic na flavor, gagamitin natin sa sandwich. And by this time, you know the drill. We'll start by toasting some sourdough bread and then spreading that with mayo in each side. Very basic lang naman to, so magle-layer in tayo ng lettuce and tomatoes. Tapos eto na, ilalagay na natin yung classic chicken pastil and be very generous with that. Eto yung pangalan ng page kung saan ko yan nabili, and from what I can see sa mga post nila, open din sila for resellers. Lastly, we're going to top with some quick pickled onions and we're ready to serve. This came out so good. The bread was toasted real good and the pickled onions complemented the chicken pastil very well. O ano, tara? Kain tayo?